A new comprehensive OTDR 8000 Max developed by First Fiber has been launched into market. And now, we are looking for global distributors for the brand new OTDR. Please contact us by email, sales@firstfiber.cn, if you have any OTDR sales experience. The 8000 Max OTDR is handy, lightweight, and rugged enough for any outside plant environment. With the 5.6 outdoor enhanced touchscreen, it delivers an unprecedented user experience, much more convenient and easier operation. The amazing 8-hour battery life will never let a technician down, and the plug-and-play hardware options like fiber inspection probe and USB tools make every technician's job easier. Many functions come with the OTDR, such as Visual Fault Locator, VFL, Optical Power Meter, OPM, Optical Laser Source, OLS, Insertion Loss Tester, ILT. Most importantly, the 8000 Max OTDR is bringing the Event Map, an intelligent OTDR-based application to the handheld OTDR market. This advanced software turns even the most complex trace analysis into a simple, one-touch task. Moreover, the 8000 Max OTDR test report can be printed or saved as SOR, Excel, and PDF format. Normally, 8000 Max OTDRs are available in 2 wavelength for single-mode fiber testing, 3 wavelength with filter for active fiber testing, 4 wavelength for both single-mode and multi-mode fiber testing. Booting screen, labels, user manual, packing box can be customized for customers who would like to promote the OTDR, their own models and brands. 7x24 technical service is supported by our well-trained engineers. Of course, CE, RoHS, ISO certificates are also available, which are a must for EU customers. The genuine high-performance OTDR 8000 Max is really an excellent device to get various parameters of optical fiber cable for the purpose of troubleshooting and maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please visit www.firstfiber.cn for more detailed specification sheet or wholesale price list.